Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize build auth-protected pages in Adalo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize build auth-protected pages in Adalo, you first need to log into your Adalo account. Once logged in, select the project where you want to implement authentication. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on the database option. Here, you need to create a collection for user authentication if one does not already exist. Label this collection as users and add the necessary properties like email and password. Next, go back to the main workspace and select the page you wish to protect with authentication. In the Properties panel on the right, find the Visibility settings. Set the visibility condition for the page to only show if the user is logged in. Now, you will need to add a login component to the page. Drag and drop the login component from the component library onto your page. Configure the login component to connect it to your user's collection. Make sure the authentication settings are set to require both email and password. Test the login functionality by previewing your app. Attempt to access the protected page while logged out to confirm it redirects appropriately. Once logged in, ensure you can navigate to the protected page without issues. If you want to add a logout button, drag the button component onto your screen. Configure the logout button to clear the current user session when clicked. Lastly, preview your app one more time to ensure all functionalities work as intended. Congratulations! You've successfully authorized build auth-protected pages in Adalo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.